Everyone's always asking, why do girls always have to open their mouths when they put on their eye makeup? Well, it's honestly because it stretches out the skin beneath your eye so that your applicator does not hit your skin where you don't want the makeup. So that's why. At least I think that's why. I've just kind of always done it. It's a thing. Hello and welcome to MichStake. I don't understand road construction. You're just like driving along and then there's all these orange barrels, you know? And what are they there for? There's hardly ever anybody doing anything behind those orange barrels. I can be driving by those orange barrels on a Tuesday at 3 p.m. and there's no one there. There's no one doing anything. I know they're not on lunch break, so where are they? I don't get it. And then you have to scooch over one lane, and it's just, it's like it's asking for an accident. It's like they want you to have an accident. Like, hey, we're not gonna do any work today, but let's throw down some orange barrels, because what the hey, why not? I hope someone gets in a car wreck. You make us weave in and out. You make us get gravel all over your cars and all this weird dusty stuff and construction-y junk. And for what? So that you can look at your pretty orange barrels while you go... There's nobody doing anything. Nothing. This Sunday is Mother's Day, so be sure to say hey to your birth giver. Hey, Mom. Thanks for watching. Please like and favorite and join me again next week for another episode of MichStake.